All right, let's see. Welcome to Team Q, a team of developers working to help quant traders practice skills they need to ace job interviews. All right, let's see how that works. So I can sign up, make a really secure password, create an account. Okay, let's see. Explore. Yeah, let's practice some mental math. Okay, let's see. 14. 133. No, I didn't get that one right. I think this is 320. Darn, that's 3. I know that. 45. Negative. $26. 43. 568. Okay, that's a tricky one. 520. 119. Okay. 10. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe I'll come back to this later. I don't think I need this right now, so I think I'm gonna close my account. Okay, so they double check to make sure I don't accidentally do it. Sweet. All right, account closed.